Welcome to Jewemax. If you're looking for an easy and affordable way to clean your jewelry, then try out these 3 home remedies. They are quick, hassle-free, and will help restore your jewelry to its original sparkle. Forget expensive jewelry cleaning solutions. Discover unique hacks to quickly and easily restore the sparkle to your gems using everyday items from around the house. Number 1. Evaluate a toothbrush's performance. Using a clean, soft, bristled toothbrush is the ideal tool to maintain your jewelry and fight off any type of grime. The small bristles make it easy to get into those hard-to-reach areas. To deal with lighter spots, you can simply use water. Dilute some toothpaste in water and scrub your jewelry with it. After cleaning your jewelry, it is important to rinse with water and then use a microfiber cloth for wiping. Once finished, allow the jewelry to dry completely before storing it away. Number 2. Unlock the power of baking soda. If you don't want to spend hours cleaning your jewelry, you can use a chemical reaction to do the hard work. Baking soda and effervescent heartburn tablets can be used in a solution of water to create bubbles and fizz that help remove dirt on any stuff quickly. Place your jewelry in a small bowl, add some water, and some amount of baking soda. Let it boil for a few minutes before taking it out. Clean it with a soft cloth. Make sure to let the jewelry dry thoroughly before you store it away. This technique works best for diamonds, silver, and gold jewelry. Avoid using this technique on delicate gems such as pearls or other soft stones. Number 3. Use antibacterial cleaner. You don't have to invest in expensive jewelry cleaners when you can simply use an all-purpose antibacterial cleaner. Pour a few inches of the liquid solution into a glass bowl, put in your accessories, and let them soak for around 5 minutes. You'll have your pieces shining brightly after that. As the time passes, the buildup should gradually settle at the bottom of the bowl. After the time is up, take out your jewelry and lightly scrub it with a soft bristled brush before rinsing under cold water. Dry it completely before storing away. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel so that you will not miss important videos like this.